What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new YouTube channel. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. So first of all, open a browser. I'm opening Google Chrome browser, then go to youtube.com. After that, if you want to create a YouTube channel, you'll need a YouTube. To create a YouTube channel, you must have a well. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new YouTube channel. First of all, open a browser like I'm opening Google Chrome browser, then go to youtube.com. To create a YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail account. Assuming you already have a Gmail account, so now sign in into YouTube using that email. I'm clicking to sign in. Already I have a Gmail account. Now I can log in using that email, and also I can use another account. And so I'm using. After that, click to next, and now click your password that was created when you created your Gmail account. Now click to next. Not now, cancel, skip. After sign in, you can see a profile icon in top right corner. Click on this icon and then you can see multiple options. From here, click to create a channel. Now you can see default name as like your Gmail account. You can change this one or not. Now click to create channel. Voila, our YouTube channel is ready. Now you can sign in and go. You can go to YouTube Studio menu to see your YouTube channel status. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Now you know how to create a new YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.